We came from the West. I grew up in Idaho and in a farming community, and the values there are what you would expect from a small town farming community. We've found that the stereotypical Midwest values that you hear about are pretty consistent with what you find here. And I feel like that's a good way and a good environment to raise a family. It's safe and everyone's looking out for one another and everyone cares for each other.
I grew up in southeastern Wisconsin. It's about an hour from Milwaukee. So I was recruited back in 2010. I was at my previous job, and a recruiter called me up one day and just said there's a great opportunity, things happening here. They flew me up here to meet some of the people and see what the opportunity was about, and I enjoyed what I saw, and it definitely was a change. I liked the size of the community, so it was big city but not too big where you didn't have like a lot of traffic problems or woes, and the people were always very friendly. Kind of had a little bit of that small time city feel, but it was a big city, so we had all the access to most things that you would want to do. It just seemed like a nice place to, at the time I was bringing on my daughter, it's a nice community to raise a family in.
I think the things that were really exciting for me about Moore at first were the potential for the growth in my career. It was going to be an opportunity that was going to open up here at Moore much more quickly than it was going to be in the company that I was with previously. The more experience I gained with Moore, the more I've come to realize that it really fits the way that I like to do engineering, because it's so focused on the communities. All of the decisions and everything that we interact with is what is in the interest of the client, because we know that that's going to turn around and benefit us as a company.
I think someone should want to work at Moore because it's a great company, it's a great team. They really care about their employees. You really have a lot of potential for success working at this company. An exposure to a wide range of projects keeps you involved, and it keeps you excited that you're not doing the same thing every day.
There's a couple of things that I really like about working at Moore. One of the big ones is the way that we interact with our clients. It's always going to be what is in the interest of our clients. The other thing that I really like, everything is always in the interest of the employees and making sure that our needs are being taken care of, and I like that about a company.
The company benefits that are my favorite, I would have to say, are the ESOP. It's been wonderful watching the value of that grow over the years. And also the culture that an ESOP brings. It's a great culture to know that you're a co-owner along with all the employees that you work with.
We found in living here that the values of the communities and the values of the company in particular really line up with our values, and it's been a great fit for me and my family, and that's what's kept us here for these years.